Hey, back here in the channel. How's it going? I hope you get a good day. And I'd like to talk about my old friend, the Canon 70D. As the title says, there are 5 things I love about the Canon 70D. And the first one is the dual pixel autofocus. I love dual pixel autofocus. It just follows me everywhere. You can't trick it, you can't mess with it. It just works super well. Second, I love the flip screen. You can look at it and record like this. You always see what you're doing. So obviously the flip screen is a big yes. Image quality, I think, is just great. We have a crop factor here we have to work with. Of course, if you put it next to full frame camera, you're gonna feel the difference. You can make really nice videos or pictures with the 70D. Number 4, ergonomics. They just have such a good grip. I love the little screen up here to see what are my settings on, and then I can just work with this one so much easier than I had a 700D, and that I didn't like it much. I didn't like to hold it. I don't know, it was just weird. Of course it has a different and it's also much closer to the 5D Mark II what I have. It's almost the same layout. I just feel familiar with it somehow and feels good to work with it. 5, it's Canon. Canon has tons of lenses, and you can buy cheap lenses, you can buy expensive ones, you can buy lots of prime lens or zoom lens. Third-party lenses are great too, so just way easy to pick it up, even secondhand. Good quality stuff. I'm going to show you some sample footages I made with the Canon 70D, and I'm going to use the 24-105 L series lens. Plus one thing, I feel like I arrived at a crossroads. Like, I'm recording at the moment with a Sony a5100. It's a great camera, but the lens choices are not as strong as the Canon has it. But I gotta say, the Sony has an awesome and incredible image quality. What actually I'm trying to do, to have a main camera as a Canon and use a small mirrorless one on a gimbal. This is gonna be my equipment setup, I guess, for the future. And the a5100 is tiny. It has an awesome image quality. That's what you see right now. And I can use it on a smaller gimbal. So we can talk about that one in the future if you want. Let me know in the comment if you are interested about that setup as well. Tell me which one is your favorite camera. What do you think about which would be the best budget camera for you to make content, to just shoot around everywhere where you go, take pictures, shoot a video. What is your camera? See you in the next one.